So this is the view from the top of the garden looking south, with part of the new bed there and some rather lovely tulips. Take a walk along a new path. In the bed on the left here we've got the garlic, and the next bed along got some elephant garlic and some peas which are coming. Then we've got a little mini orchard here with lots of blossom at the moment. Wander around. So hopefully we'll get lots of lovely apples in the autumn. All the bare soil here is sown with annuals, so hopefully they'll come up. And this is the kind of end of the tulips really, but there'll be new things coming up along soon, alliums and aquilegias coming out. Okay, this is the shady bed where the daffodils are over now. Now here, lurking in there, this is a blue Himalayan poppy, and I do hope it's going to flower for me this year because it's beautiful when it does. Got some rhubarb in the corner, and then this bit here, it's a nice big area. I want a pond, but the boys don't seem very keen on the idea of digging me a pond. Can't imagine why. So this is the big border, and it's got lots and lots of pulmonarias in it, which these little tiny flowers at the front, little clumps of them. Absolutely wonderful this time of year, lots of colour, and the bees really like them. Okay, we're going to wander down along here. Down the steps. I can get gates open. Tulips, and the roses are just starting to come out. Rhododendron looking particularly gorgeous, and I'm very happy I didn't get a single flower on it last year because it got attacked by bud blight, but I've picked them all off and hopefully it'll now be well on the way to recovery. So peony's about to come out. Those are bluebells which see themselves everywhere. When we moved here, first of all, this was all just grass with a big bank, so I turned the bank into this sort of terraced rockery thing, so we've got lots of things in there, and these are all the rose bushes, David Austin pink roses, which will be out in June. Can't wait. So just go around the front. Here we are, painting the fence when they get round to that.